So, ayan, good afternoon everyone. Today, we're going to make a simple and easy to do dish. It's called ensaladang lato. So, medyo gusto ko rin kasi ng ensaladang talong. Halos same lang naman sila ng key ingredients. But today, mag-focus tayo sa lato. So, the ingredients that we will need to use are, syempre, yung lato, vinegar, optional olive oil, kalamansi, kamatis, sibuyas, asin at pamintang durog. So, hugasan lang yung mga sangkap tapos hiwain. So, after natin mag mise en place, i-ready na natin, ayusin ang plating ng ating ensaladang tulo. And then, after that, tapos na. Quick and easy ingredient. Ayan. So, this is the final product. Ayan. Sobrang dali, diba? So, ano pang iniintay nyo? Gawin nyo na rin. See you again next time. Thank you!